Hello friends! Today we're going to be reading the story, The Lion and the Little Red Bird. The story and the pictures are both by Elisa Kleven. So look at this story. What do you see on the cover of it? Do you see the lion and the little red bird? What do you notice about the lion's tail? Why do you think it looks like that? Let's read to find out. One afternoon, a little red bird saw a lion with a bushy green tail, as green as the forest. The bird had never seen anything so unusual and so pretty. Just looking at it made her happy. The lion has a green tail. "Lion, lion," she said, "why is your tail so green?" The lion didn't understand the bird's language. He thought she was simply chirping. He smiled at her. And wandered down to a field of orange flowers. The bird watched him roll and sniff and chase butterflies, then slowly walk west with the setting sun and disappear into a cave. The bird waited on a tree nearby. She wanted to see the lion's green tail again. But the lion did not come out of the cave, so the bird made herself a soft nest and slept through the warm, starry night. In the morning, the lion came out, swishing his tail, which was no longer green, but orange as a flower, orange as a butterfly, orange as the setting sun. "Lion, lion," the bird chirped, astonished. "Why is your tail so orange?" Again, the lion did not understand the bird. He smiled at her. "Why do you think his tail is orange?" And climbed over the hill and up the mountain to a deep blue lake beneath a bright blue sky, where he soaked his tired paws while the birds splashed nearby. Guys, see more lions here? What else can you spot on these pages? At the end of the day, the lion climbed back down the mountain, over the hill, and home to his cave. The bird settled down in the tree, wondering, as the sky darkened, about the lion and his orange tail. What do you think she wants to know about the lion and his orange tail? What do you want to know about this orange tail? But in the morning, the lion's tail was no longer orange. It was blue as the brightest blue sky, blue as the deep mountain lake where he'd soaked his paws. "Lion, lion," the bird chirped, enchanted. "How did your tail change from orange to blue? Are you a magician?" The lion just smiled. Look at her, and look at him. Look at this. It looks similar to the front, doesn't it? And the lion ambled over to a bush full of shiny red berries. They were beautiful berries, but very sour. "Lion," the bird chirped, making a face, "these berries are still too sour to eat. Why don't you pick them when they are ripe?" The lion just smiled, thinking how much he liked the bird's chirping company. So he liked being around her. They're friends, aren't they? Look, he's collecting the red berries. What do you think he's going to do with the red berries? All afternoon, the lion picked berries while the bird nibbled sunflower seeds nearby. Once, when the lion stepped on a thorn, the bird pulled it out for him. Have you ever had a thorn in your hand or some other part? They hurt really bad, so the bird was helpful. At sundown, the lion swished his tail goodbye and returned to his cave. The bird settled down in her nest. She wondered what color the lion's tail would be in the morning. She wished he would answer her questions. What color do you think his tail is going to be in the morning? During the night, a storm came. Thunder crashed and lightning flashed. Rain swept away the bird's nest. Hearing the noise, the lion rushed out and reached up into the tree where the bird crouched, shivering and scared. He lifted her down. Now, he's being helpful right back, isn't he? She helped him, and he's helping her. And carried her into his cave. The cave was warm and colorful. The walls were filled with pictures of green forests, orange flowers, butterflies, sunsets, a bright blue sky, and a deep blue lake. Those are all the things that the little red bird watched him go through. Lion, lion, the bird chirped, delighted. How did these pictures get here? The lion smiled, dipped his tail into a bowl of shiny red berry juice, and painted a picture of the bird chirping on a berry bush. He's been collecting things, hasn't he? He used the berry juice from the red berries to draw her and all the berries that he saw. The bird sang while the lion painted. She sang a song without any questions, full of color and joy. The lion had never heard anything so unusual and so pretty. Just listening made him happy. So look, you can see orange flowers in this orange paint. So it looks like he used the orange flowers to make the orange paint. And I see grass and I see some blue here to help make these colors. In the morning, the storm was past. The world shone fresh and bright. The lion's tail was very red, and the little bird knew why. She sang her happiest song and wondered what the lion would paint that night. Let's look at this last page. Are there any colors on this page that he hasn't used yet? What do you think that he's going to be painting next? It ends here, so we don't know, so it's up to your imagination. You get to guess and think about what it might be. Maybe you can tell me too. Our friends here in class really love this book. They loved trying to figure out why his tail changed colors. And I hope that you love this book too, and that you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.